So you remember before we placed an order, we had 3,702 followers. So right now, all we need to do is to refresh for us to see if these followers has reflected. So we just need to draw this thing down like this, and boom, you can see we have currently 3,806 followers, which means that the followers we ordered has already completed. Easy peasy. If you click on this inbox, right, you can see this place, the root of new followers. You can see 99 plus, and when you tap on it, you can see that this follower just entered just now. It just entered 1 minute ago. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the 2026 formula that is going to be helping you to build your TikTok followers very fast. All you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. As I'm going to be introducing you to this platform called growbetter.net, all you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and do the same thing I'm going to be showing you in this video, and you'll be able to boost your TikTok followers. So let's go. So the first thing you need to do is for you to create an account. And how then do you create an account? You need to scroll up right here and click on the sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? You just tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will bring you to a place where you're going to be putting your username, right? And while putting your username, make sure that you write it together, do not give space, and come to this email, put your email, and create a password, confirm your password, and this I am human, just tap on it and it's going to tick. Right, easy peasy. And the next thing you need to do is for you to actually tap on this sign up, and your account is going to be created immediately. Right, so due to because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. I just need to log in and show you guys exactly how to make use of this platform. So welcome back, guys. I've logged into my account. As you can see, when you create an account and log in, this is exactly how it's going to be looking like. So the first thing we need to do is for us to come to this category, right? As you can see, this category right here, just need to tap on it, and right here you can see YouTube Pack, Instagram followers, TikTok followers, Facebook followers. These are the services you can actually get in the platform. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use the platform to boost your TikTok followers. So let's go and look for TikTok followers, right? So right here you can see a couple of TikTok followers, right? So I'm going to be using this 10% drop of fast delivery new, due to because I want these followers to drop while you are watching this video. So all we need to do is to select it, and the next thing we need to do is to come to this service, right? When you come to the service, you just need to select it and select the first one. Mostly I like to select the first one because the first services are always the best, so I just need to select the first one. And the next thing you need to do is to read the description. The description is actually what describes the service you want to purchase. So in this description it states that the quality is worldwide profile, and the start time is instant, which means that when you place an order, you are getting it instantly, and the speed is 20k per day, which means that you can get 20,000 followers a day. And right here they say refill is 10 days, and the important note, they say when the service is busy, the starting speed of the process may vary. And secondly, they say do not place a second order on the same link before your current one is completed in the system. So when you place an order, all you need to do is to wait for it. The order is going to deliver. When you place two orders on the same link, none of them will deliver. So it's important when you place order, exercise patience, right? So the next thing you need to do is to come to this link and insert your profile link. Just in case you don't know how to copy your link, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's head to TikTok. So when you come to TikTok, right, the first thing you need to do is to come to your profile like this, right? And I want you guys to mark something. Before I place order in this on this account, you can see we have 3,702 followers, right? And when we place this order in few minutes, we are going to come back for you to confirm that this followers has added, right? So for you to copy link, the first thing you need to do is for you to come to this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? Just tap on it, and you can see this copy link right here. Just tap on this copy link here, and your link is copied, and just come to this link and paste it and put the quantity. Quantity is the amount of followers you want. In this video, I'm going to be ordering 100 followers. So all I need to do is just to select 100, and the next thing we need to do is to click on the submit in order to submit our order. So I just need to click on the submit right away, and you can see right here they said your order received, which means that our order has been received. So what we need to do basically is for us to exercise patience and wait. These followers will start coming in immediately. But there's something I want you guys to understand, that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. And how do you have an account in this platform? Is very easy. All you need to do is to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? You just need to tap on it, and by your left hand side you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it here, and once you tap on it here, you allow it to load. And you can see this dot right here. Can you see this dot right here? Tap on it. The dot will display two payment options in the platform, which is Pay and manual. I'm going to teach you guys how to use the both payment options. So if you want to use Pay, select Pay, put the amount you want to pay, and click on this pay right here. And once you tap on it, Pay is going to ask you how would you like to pay. You can see they said how would you like to pay, whether you want to pay with debit card, pay with bank transfer, or pay with bank. So I'm going to be selecting debit card. If you want to pay with debit card, put your card details right right here, and boom, click on pay. Your payment will be received. And if you want to pay with bank transfer, select bank transfer and read this instruction and tell them I understand the instruction, and tick it and click on this continue, right? And once you tap on the continue, Kodapay is going to provide account number where you're going to be making payment to, and all you need to do is to make transfer to this account number. You don't need to do anything, you just need to wait, and the thing is will automatically reflect to your balance. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to do it. So let me show you guys how to use manual, right? So easy peasy. So all you need to do is to come right here, select manual, and once you select manual, just read the instruction. Instruction said kindly make payment to the account below. You can see the account right here. You can see the beneficiary, everything, and they say do not send below 1,000 because it won't be refunded. Provide proof for payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin. Right, easy peasy. All you need to do is either you click on contact us, or you click on this WhatsApp icon right here, and you see the WhatsApp icon, tap on it, it will take you to the WhatsApp. You just need to send your proof of payment and your Grow Better username, and they're going to confirm your payment. So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform, right? So what we need to do next is for us to go back to TikTok to confirm if the followers we bought has already counted. So let's go back to TikTok, right? So you remember before we placed an order, we had 3,702 followers. So right now, all we need to do is to refresh for us to see if these followers has reflected. So we just need to draw this thing down like this, and boom, you can see we have currently 3,806 followers, which means that the followers we ordered has already completed. Easy peasy. If you click on this inbox, right, you can see this place, the root of new followers. You can see 99 plus, and when you tap on it, you can see that this follower just entered just now. It just entered 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago. As you can see, 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago. Easy peasy. So this is the best formula you need to boost your TikTok followers in 2026. Easy peasy. So all you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and do the same thing I just did, right? The link is in the description. Once you click on the link, it's going to take you to the platform directly. So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing, right? So see you guys in my next video.